At Scene Clean, we offer a full range of services in Eden Prairie related to blood and trauma cleanup, death-related services, maybe it's a homicide, suicide, or a body decomposition. We also offer hoarding cleanup and meth or fentanyl drug cleaning. And in the past year, we have helped several clients in the Eden Prairie area with the services we offer, both commercial and residential. At Scene Clean, we will handle the whole process for you between remediation and rebuild if rebuild is needed. We are an insured or a preferred vendor for many of the large insurance carriers that cover our area, but the process really starts when the customer calls us or submits an email off of our website. We try to be at all emergency related jobs within a few hours, insurance jobs within 24 hours, and the days of needing multiple estimates for an insurance provider are no longer with the software that's out there. If it's a hoarding or drug-related service, we will meet the client out at the job site and provide them a written estimate. The ultimate goal for us is to have our clients only have to pay their deductible as their only out-of-pocket expense. Not hiring the proper professional can lead into issues with filing your claim and getting reimbursed with your insurance provider. There are companies out there that say they do biohazards, but they might only do a dozen or so of these a year. It might be a service that they offer, but their primary services are maybe fire or water restoration. Whereas at Scene Clean, this is all we do, and we do hundreds of these a year. The biggest difference with us is we are local, we have a great reputation, and we do everything we can to make sure that our customers are satisfied in the end.